Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Huawei Nova 3 and we are going to do the unboxing and the first impression of this smartphone. Let's start. So talking of the device here you can see there is a Huawei logo on the top. It is written Huawei Nova 3. The smartphone pretty much looks similar what we have seen in the Honor 10, but what is special we are going to check it out in the device. And here I am taking out the box and will show you the box content. Most probably all the box content will be similar that you will be getting in India. The device looks pretty premium and the color is definitely gorgeous, and here you can see it has a fingerprint sensor at the back and there is a dual camera setup at the back also. So now let's check out the box content. Here you can get the SIM card ejector tool. There is also a silicone back cover, which is a good thing. There is a fast charger. The charger is rated at 18 watts, and there is also earphones. These earphones looks pretty much similar than the Apple earphones what we have seen the Apple AirPods. So which is a great thing because earphones are missing these days in the box. And there is also a charging cable or the data cable, whatever you can call, and it comes with the type C connectivity, not the micro USB. Now coming to the device, in the front you can see it comes with a gorgeous display of 6.3-inch full HD IPS LCD plus, and on the side you can see there is a volume button and the power key. And also the camera has a little bump on the back side, which is a setup of 16 megapixel plus 24 megapixel. And in the top there is a noise cancellation mic. Here you can see that. Let me little bit focus on that. And here you can see that on the other side here you get the SIM card slot. Now talking about the SIM card slot, it comes with the hybrid slot. So the hybrid slot means you are getting a 2 nano SIM card slot, or you can use it 1 nano card and 1 expandable memory, which is expanded up to 256 GB, which is usually a great thing because I don't think that 256 GB ever you are going to use. But talking about these are the slots what are coming. And in the bottom we are getting the 3.5mm jack. There is also a type C cable charging slot and the speaker. So the best part is that you are still getting the 3.5mm audio jack with the smartphone. And talking in the front, we are also getting, there is a setup of 24 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, whereas in the rear setup there is a 16 megapixel plus 24 megapixel. Now talking about the processor, it comes with the Octa Core Kirin 970 processor, which was the same used in the Honor 10, and the processor comes with the artificial intelligence. We will talk about it later, and in the back side you have already seen the AI camera. So we will talk about this thing in the later in the detail section. Now coming to the OS, it comes with the Android OS 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.2 on top of it. It comes with a battery of 3750 milliampere. Now talking about the charger, it comes with the 18-watt charger which supports fast charging, and it has a face unlock feature in the smartphone. The fingerprint sensor is at the back, which look gorgeous. Now talking about the what are the differences between the Honor 10 and the Nova 3. The Nova 3 comes with a bigger display. It has a 6.3-inch, whereas the Honor 10 was coming with the 5.84-inch. Now it has a bigger battery. The Honor 10 was coming around 3400 milliampere battery, where this is coming with a 3750 milliampere battery. Now talking about the weight, definitely the Nova 3 is little bit heavier with the 166 gram, whereas the Honor 10 was coming for 158 gram. And this is all what we are talking about the specs. Coming to the device look, it is pretty much similar, but the Honor 10 has the fingerprint in the front, whereas the Nova 3 comes with the fingerprint at the back side. And it has a 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage. As you can see here, you can definitely hide the notch and you can play with the notch. You can always on the notch. It is up to you. But the device definitely looks pretty much gorgeous. Now talking about the softwares what are coming inside the smartphone, pretty much what we have seen earlier also. Now talking about the preloaded apps, here we go to the tools folder. What we have seen in the smartphone, it is just the compass, date, time and other things. Here you can get the preloaded apps. There are some preloaded games, and one more interesting feature what I have seen in the device is that it comes with the party mode, where you can connect with the other devices using the LAN and you can stream those music through the devices. So definitely this is something interesting and a new thing. We have to try this. And coming to the camera, we haven't taken any samples right now, but we will try it and test it in our review. So this is all about the Huawei Nova 3. It might be a little costly than Honor 10, we still don't know. This is all about the Nova 3 purple color edition. This is @ I Old Monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.